When I say growing your hair back from bald to waist length is simply easy with natural ingredients in your kitchen, I know you probably don't believe me. But what if the real reason your hair isn't growing is because you have been missing one simple step this whole time? I tried something different, and what happened next honestly shocked me. My hair didn't just grow, it started changing in a way I didn't expect. The crazy part, most people are doing this completely wrong, and that's why they never see results. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, what you should avoid, and the one thing that makes all the difference. So don't skip this, because the final part of this method is where everything changes. And if you are serious about transforming your hair naturally, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get into it. So for the application, I usually use a cotton wool. I dump it into the fermented onions water, then I use it to massage my scalp. Apply it directly, I massage gently and leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes before washing it out. With consistent use of this fermented onions water, you can start noticing stronger, healthier and fuller hair over time. And here's the best part: you are not just saving money or avoiding expensive products. You are using something natural, something that you can simply make in your kitchen, something that you see the effect right from your home, something that nobody would deceive you, nobody would tell you buy this, buy that. This remedy is very, very effective, guys. Like if you are struggling on hair loss, or you notice that your hair is not growing as usual, so go ahead, try this and come back here and tell me your results. So if you found this helpful and you are excited to start your hair journey, go ahead and like this video, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more information and powerful tips like this. And let me know in the comments, are you going to try this? I would love to hear your results. See you guys in my next one. I love you and stay always blessed. Bye bye.